let's get arty at our party and make a picture full of clucks and tweets in a funny farmyard with triangle-shaped birds. But first, we'll need some things from...
The Doodle Tube!
That's right! We'll need some coloured paper and card. Some stickers. A triangle-shaped piece of pie. Oh, don't mind if I do, Doodle Tube, but wait a minute. There's art to start. I'll eat this later. And we'll need some glue and a pen. OK, Mini Makers, let's get started by making a background for our picture. Now, you can use any colours of paper or card you like, but today I'm going to use light blue for the sky. And I'm also going to use some other colours of paper for the ground and the rolling hills. Let's start with this nice green. I'm going to very carefully tear a nice wiggly hill shape. Let's try another colour now. You can make as many strips of paper as you want. And now, my friends, we need to add some glue. Brilliant. OK, let's stick it on. Then stick down the rest of your paper strips like this. Now, remember, Mini Makers, this is a triangle party. So what should we use next?
Triangles!
Yes, let's use some triangles. I'm going to use this pink one first. It's going to be a very brightly coloured bird. And now let's have another colour. And last but not least, a nice bright yellow triangle. And what else shall we give our birds?
Beaks.
Good idea, Charles. Beaks. And for this, let's use smaller triangles. Next, we can add stickers for eyes. We can even add colourful stickers to make a spotty bird. And now we can use a pen to add some finishing touches. And it's done. Do you like that picture, Mini Makers?
Yeah!